To anybody that wants to be in tech, especially women, it feels daunting. You may be the only girl in your class, but it's okay because that's not how the field is all the time. But you have to be confident that every step of the way you're building success. Even though there is some bias still, that it's mostly implicit, and the way it comes up is that people just don't think that you can do what you're already doing. People will tell you, okay, good luck getting your degree, or good luck getting through that class. When I was 6 years old, I was put into foster care. I was adopted around 10. And so, yeah, I went into it not really knowing at all anything about syntax or programming languages. I didn't have my own computer growing up. Trying to tackle something like somebody having implicit bias against women in tech, that wasn't something that I could handle because I didn't know if I could do it. I had an internship at Cozy. They were a startup, and so, you really got to understand the work, if it was right or if it was wrong. But I realized, oh, I actually do have the skill set that is needed for this work. And not only that, but I have more than what it takes. And that carried me through to my second internship here at eBay to be able to interview and say, okay, I can get this internship. I learned what it was like to build code that needs to work on a very large scale. Being at PSU has completely changed my outlook on people, on academia, on society as a whole. I want to be that big bulldog to be in front of all the women that don't feel like fighting every single day and just change the conversation. Because there's many capable men, women, and then people that don't fall into those categories that should be represented. I feel confident in my purpose and also in my intention to make sure people feel comfortable. I just think that I'm a strong person. I think that I can do it, and I'm willing to do it.